This is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of cases. I'm a former revenue officer. I started in 1973. I've been doing, this is my 51st year in doing this, if you can believe this. I've been on all the major news stations. You can go to my video at my YouTube channel at 777irs.com. I've been on Fox twice, ABC, NBC, CBS, News Nation, Newsmax. I've been on every single one of those stations. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. I've kind of handpicked them through the years, so we do anything from getting a notice to going to tax court. Anyway, that's enough about me. I want to tell you how you can make tax resolution and tax relief really made easy. It's just understand the system. Once you understand the system, it becomes really easy. And when you look at all these ads and all these people doing this or this, it's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing on all the crap that's out there. My son encouraged me 3 years ago to start this YouTube station. There are so many lies, so many salespeople. They're all just trying to get your money. And sadly, many of them don't know what they talk about. 90% of all the people, the 95% of all the people, believe it or not, they're salespeople. That's what they do. They're sizing you up. They're deciding how much they can make, and the back end office has no idea really what you're telling them or what they're doing, because they're the ones that have to call IRS. So let me tell you, just to make this really easy, what happens. As being a former IRS agent, it's simple, and once you know the system, it's easier for you to pick whether you want to do this yourself or whether you want to hire someone. If you owe IRS tax debt, IRS simply wants to see a financial statement on you. It's their financial statement. It's a 433F at the service center, a 433 if it's at the local office. Based on that, they're going to make a determination on your case. It's that simple. They're going to either put you into currently non-collectible for a couple years and the case comes out. They'll put you in a payment agreement, one you probably are not going to want, or they may suggest the filing of an offer and compromise. Those are your three options. You have two other options. They don't come into play in but you can file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy if the taxes are 3 years or older, or some of you, if this is an old case, the statute may blow after 10 years. Those are the only 5 ways you're going to deal or get rid of this IRS debt. But basically, for most of you hearing this, IRS wants your financial statement to make a determination. All makes sense, but you got to document it. You're going to have to give them bank statements and pay stubs to verify in your expenses. The big thing that people don't know is this. If you owe debt, IRS has what's called the National Standards Program. That is, IRS is going to tell you what expenses you can take. You can't tell them what expenses you can take. That's going to create a huge, huge payment to IRS that you're not expecting. Anyway, I'm telling you about the IRS National Standards Program. If you need us, call us. At least you know I'm trying to make this simple. Here's a financial statement, IRS. What are you going to do with my case? Hardship, payment agreement, or can I do an offer and compromise? If you don't owe a lot of money, call them yourself. It's a sizable amount. That's really the time that you need somebody. Make sure all your tax returns are filed. I have about 2,600 other videos for you. If you need me, call me. Thanks for the subscription.